Hello everyone, a new SME IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is Holmarc Opto-Mechatronics Limited. Established in 1993, Holmarc Opto-Mechatronics manufactures scientific and engineering instruments to serve various purposes such as research, industry, and education. Holmarc's portfolio comprises over 800 products with standardized specifications and customized solutions to meet specific requirements. Situated in Ernakulam, Kerala, Holmarc's manufacturing facility is spread across 29,984 square feet. IPO opens for subscription on September 15th, offer will close on September 20th. Allotment will be on the 25th of September, listing will be on the 28th of September. Minimum investment amount required by retail investors is 120,000 rupees. Price is fixed at 40 rupees per share. Lot size is of 3,000 shares. Total issue size is 11.40 crore rupees. It is 100% fresh issue. Listing will be at NSE SME platform. Object of the issue is funding capital expenditure towards purchase of additional plant and machinery. To meet the working capital requirements. To meet the issue expenses. General corporate purposes. Price to earning ratio is 8.08. Return on equity is 0.36%. Return on capital employed is 33%. Earning per share is 4 rupees and 95 paise. Current GMP of the company is 13 rupees. Estimated listing price is 53 rupees. The expected percentage gain per share is 33%. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.